first you remove all the plastics, and then you put on this protection cap after you removed all the plastics. Puts on like that, and then the wheels. You have the wheels. The wheels simply going like that. You turn it around, you hold it firmly, and you press the wheels tightly in until it's all the way in, so it doesn't break or come off. And you do that for all the wheels, and you're done with the wheelbase. Okay, once you're done with the putting on your wheels, then you insert the gas lift or shock for the chair. You put it in like that, and you press it in until it fully locks in at the bottom. So once you push it in all the way in, it'll lock in and it won't come off easily. To remove it, you'll have to use a rubber mallet and knock it off. Once you've done that, so you're done with the bottom half of the chair. Okay, then next you come to your base plate. It comes in a packet. Remove it from the packet and you line it with the under of the seat. You line the holes, and then you use the four small screws, the four shorter screws, to mount the base plate. Just got some things in the way. Okay, then once you got the four screws lined up, you then use the Allen key that is provided, and you tighten them fully, and then you're done with the base of the chair. Okay, then you have the armrest attached to the backrest of the chair. This part just locks in the hole like that, and then your hole lines up, and you use a little bigger screw than you used on the base plate. You line it up like that. You can turn it, and then you use the Allen key and you tighten it. You tighten it fully, it's nice and tight, so it's firm in place. And then you do that for the both armrests, and you're done with attaching the armrest to the backrest. Okay, and then once you're done with the armrest, you use the bottom, and then you put it on something you can support it, and then you line it with the armrest, and then you use the four long screws that are provided. Four long screws, and then you line it with the armrest hole. It should be a two-person job to get it lined up, and then when you line it, you thread in these long screws, two per side, and then you tighten it, and then you're done attaching the backrest to the seat. Then you done. Come closer. Then to attach the headrest, find the headrest in a box. It's got two holes. You simply line the holes up, and then you'll have it two screws this slightly shorter in length than the ones you use to mount the armrest to the bottom of the seat. You just line it up with the holes, and then you thread that in, and then once it's threaded in, you tighten it, and when you're done tightening your bolt, your headrest is firmly in place, and you're done. When you're done, fully assemble the top half and the bottom half, you simply take the chair and you insert this into the gas lift, and then you press down firmly until it locks in place, and then you can turn and use the lever, and it'll move the chair up and down.